Recently, a viewer asked me if I've changed the channel's name to Gate. This episode is to answer that question and also to share with fellow beginners a very simple and popular mantra that gives inspiration to the name of this channel. You could say the name of the channel as Gate, which in English means the gate to the Dharma is everywhere and at any moment. Gate is also a Sanskrit term. Gate means gone, which happens to be a part of a mantra in Heart Sutra. Heart Sutra is known as Prajna Paramita Hridaya in Sanskrit. We have seen Prajna Paramita in first episode. It means perfection of wisdom. Hridaya means heart. Heart Sutra is the heart of perfection of wisdom, or Prajna Paramita, where Diamond Sutra belongs. Here is the Gate chant with raindrop as the background. Gate, parasangate, bodhiswaha. Gate, parasangate, bodhiswaha. Gate, parasangate, bodhiswaha. Gate, parasangate, bodhiswaha. Gate, parasangate, bodhiswaha.